In this example, we're going to multiply integers using a number line. So we've already multiplied integers using chips, and now we're going to also use a number line, so we have more than one way to visualize these processes and so we can connect them. So here we have 3 times 5. So this is 3 groups of 5. So I am going to start at 0, and now I'm going to add on 3 groups of 5. So here's one group of 5. From here I'm going to go another group of 5 to 10. And now we have one more group of 5. So this is plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. And notice our result is positive 15. Now here, remember we said we had trouble with negative 3 groups of 5. What would negative 3 groups mean? So instead we interpret this as the opposite of 3 groups of 5. Now we've already found 3 groups of 5 from the previous problem. It's 15. So we'll think of going to 15. And now remember, to find the opposite, we'll draw a reflection line at 0. And we're going to go from 15 the same distance with respect to 0 on the other side. So we'd end up here. So the opposite of 3 groups of 5, this corresponds with our previous result, is negative 15. Our next problem is 3 times negative 5, or 3 groups of negative 5. So we'll start at 0. Here's one group of negative 5. Now we're going to go another negative 5 and our third negative 5. So we have negative 5 3 times. And notice our result is negative 15. And in our final problem, again, our first term is negative. So instead of thinking of this as negative 3 times 5, we're going to think of it as the opposite of 3 groups of negative 5. So from the previous example, we have 3 groups of negative 5 is negative 15. So we're going to start here, draw a reflection line, and then take the opposite of negative 15, which brings us to positive 15. So negative 3 times negative 5 equals positive 15. And notice all of these results correspond with our previous results.